Can you rip it? You're doing a good job. Whoa, good job. You're doing a good job. Okay, what's in the box? Can you open it? Do you need help?
Okay.
What's in there?
Blanket.
A blanket? I think it's a towel.
Towel.
Yeah, who's on the towel? Oh, it's okay. Who's that on the towel? It's Mickey Mouse? I think it's Minnie Mouse. Shoes? Are those shoes for swimming? For the beach? Wow. You want to put it on?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what else is in the box. Is this a swimmy suit? Is that so cute? Yeah. You want to try it on?
Okay.
Who's that on this towel? It's Tinkerbell. Is she a princess?
No.
She's a fairy. What's this, Ryan? A pretty shirt? That's a swimmy suit cover-up. Can you say thank you, Grandma? Thank you, PJ? Okay, bye.